Visit Tessera.biz. Go to the shop. Find the thank you card of interest. Make your purchase. Download the card and then open it in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Upon opening, select the placeholder that reads first name, last name, and type the name of the beloved loved one. Then click the File menu. Select Save As. Indicate the location where you'd like to store the file. In this case, we're going to select the desktop. Select the file name. Type the name that you would like to use for the file. Then click Save. Once you have saved the file, it is available to be edited later or printed. You may print the file yourself or provide it to a professional printing service. You may also convert the file from a PDF to a JPEG and post it on your favorite social media platform.